Good morning. Good day to make a video because it's 10 below outside and I like to be in where it's warm. So I'm going to do a video with this antique key. Definitely homemade. I picked it up at an amateur radio auction 9 years ago and have never been able to find any history on it. I'm hoping by posting this video that someone will see this key and say, I have a picture of my grandfather or great grandfather or someone in their amateur radio area using this key. I would love to know the history of it. And let's try it out here. The code practice oscillator is probably 50 years old, the key probably 100. It rocks all over on the glass desktop, but is fairly stable if I put that on there. Going to try to keep the speed slow, and I've never had a Morse code contact in my life, so bear with me and expect some mistakes. A series of V's, that's how we get your attention. And here we go. And when you send an error, it's a series of 8 dits. So we're going to do that and start that word over. I don't know if that was 8 or not, but here we go. I am very surprised at how nice that key sounds on here. I expected a lot of chirping with all those old connections in there, but it seems to have worked out all right. Please comment below, especially if you have seen this key before. I'd like to know its history. No local radio museums or anything to devote it to here, but in the meantime, it's going to go back in my roll top desk for safekeeping. Thanks for stopping by.